The thing about me is that I really want to help beginner traders launch the trading career in the right direction. And if you have been trading for 6 months or less, there are three specific things that you have to avoid. And it's not because they're bad habits, but because they completely derail your learning, your progress before it even starts. So number one, don't try to learn an entire strategy all at once. Yes, you've heard don't jump from strategy to strategy. That's normal to hear in this industry. But let me take it further. Even if you stick to one strategy, don't try to learn every single part of it at the same time. If your strategy starts with identifying structure, start there. If you need to break a structure to confirm direction, master being able to determine that direction before you even look at entries, exits, or all that other crap that's involved. Forget exits, forget trade management. Just sit in front of the chart and say, are we bullish because of this rule or are we bearish because of this rule? And you do that until you can see it immediately and automatic. Then, and only then, do you add the next step of trying to take an entry. Learning to trade is way easier when you break it into pieces and master the small steps one at a time, built in order. Number two, you're going to hate me for this, but trust me, it's a game changer. Don't try to make money. I know that's probably the reason why you started this in the first place. In fact, it is the reason you started this in the first place. But if you try to make money too soon before you're ready, you will be blocking your ability to learn and make money down the road. Now, why? Because you are not learning. If you're trying to make money at the beginning, you are simply gambling. You'll be rushing. You'll be forcing trades. You'll be chasing perfect entries because there's money on the line and you want to get that in your trading account. But when real money's involved too early, every little thing that happens, every little tick, every little candle feels just a little bit more dramatic because you're going to get emotional when you trade regardless. You're going to overthink at the beginning. So why would you add that extra pressure of trying to make money while you're trying to learn? Because it drowns out the actual lessons that would have made you money later. The beginning of your trading career is for one thing and one thing alone, practice, for seeing the patterns, for building your habits, and the profits, they come after you've earned it with consistency, not before. Number three, do not get greedy and try to catch the entire move. You don't need to snipe the bottom. You don't need to exit at the high of the month. That mindset is going to crush your confidence. Instead, focus on asking yourself, did I get in when the market gave me permission? Sometimes that permission comes a little late. Sometimes you miss the first move and think, I probably can't get in anymore. But with the right system, later is better than never, especially if the setup follows the rules. A late entry that moves a little in your favor builds more skill than missing the trade entirely because you were waiting for a perfect moment that doesn't exist. So, to recap, my beginner traders out there, learn your strategy one piece at a time. Forget about making money in your first couple months. Just focus on learning and practice and stop trying to catch the whole move. Just catch your little slice of it. That is how you will start your trading career, and that is how you'll become the consistent trader I know you are able to become.